We leave Magnetic Island on a perfect October morning. 4 busy mums, each in dire need of a break, ready to trade schedules for calm seas. This is SheQuest, a sailing yoga retreat designed to recharge, reconnect and reclaim time for yourself. Calm, beautiful day, perfect for the reef. Look how calm it is out here, leaving the leads of Nelly Bay. This is my crew! Woohoo! Leaving Magnetic Island, we're heading for the reef. Woo! Crystal's putting up the main. Look at Crystal go! Chloe's actually really experienced. And my first mate up here did an awesome job. Simona's putting out the head sail, our little jib. Look at those muscles. All the muscles. We'll be able to turn the engines off in a little while. Oh my goodness! So the brakes are here. They're the brakes. So down them forward. That's it. We're on collision course, guys, with this big fat ship over here. We'll slow down and we'll let him pass. Mike has right. What you got, Crystal?
I don't know. I know I'm left.
Who wants the gimbal belt? Two fishing rods at once.
Wow.
Wow.
It's not blue anymore.
Alright, do we need a gaffer?
He's a big tuna.
Again.
He's a big tuna. I think he's foul hook.
What you wanna do?
I've got to unhook him.
Yeah.
Bye bye, pretty tuna.
Yeah, he swam away.
Yeah.
He swam away.
Okay.
Good.
So he was really hard to pull in because he was hooked on his gill.
Okay.
And he was swimming one way and you were pulling him the other way. But if he was hooked in the mouth, it'd be easier.
With no wind, we motor across a beautiful calm ocean. Nothing but blue in every direction. The kind of day that feels made for the reef. As we near the reef, the water shifts to a luminous coral blue and suddenly the reel screams to life. We're on another hookup. We're on another hookup. Whoa!
Mackerel, that's a spotty mackerel.
Oh.
See that? We're going to eat a lot of fish, ladies.
Oh my god!
The bucket?
No, he's too big for the bucket.
Okay.
Spotty mackerel for Crystal. That's well over, that's a metre at least. Especially
yeah.
You're not going to starve. Turkey. Bah. Oh, ready?
As we prepare to enter the water, we are stepping into one of the most biodiverse environments on the planet. A living community where every organism supports the next. John Brewer Reef sits on the central Great Barrier Reef, a mid-shelf system known for its mosaic of hard corals, sheltered lagoons and thriving marine life. This reef is part of an ecosystem shaped by millions of years of slow coral growth, storms, bleaching events, and natural regeneration. When you slip beneath the surface with a mask and snorkel, something shifts. The world above goes quiet. Sight becomes soft. Sound disappears and you drop into a kind of moving meditation. In yoga, we call this pratyahara, a gentle withdrawing of the senses, so you can feel the present moment more clearly. Floating above the reef, your breath becomes your guide. In, out, the rhythm steadies you. The colours, the light, the slow sway of the ocean, everything invites you to rest, to witness, to simply be. We've done yoga, and Crystal's
Yeah.
made the splash. Blue, how blue the water is today.
Amazing.
How is the water, Crystal?
Beautiful.
Jump.
So clear.
Wow.
Brekkie time. Sourdough. And lots of other things.
Yeah. Coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee. Coffee specialist. John Brewer Reef is also home to the Museum of Underwater Art's Ocean Sentinels. These sculptures are portraits of influential marine scientists and conservationists. They are placed on the seabed not merely as artwork, but as reef-safe structures designed to support coral settlement and marine life. Over time, corals, sponges and algae colonize their surfaces, turning each figure into a living hybrid of art and ecology. Cephalopods, like squid or cuttlefish, are occasionally seen on this reef. Giant clams add a spectacular element to the reef floor. Their bright colours, electric blues, greens, golds and purples, come from microscopic cells that scatter light. Out here, far from schedules and noise, something begins to shift. The world expands, and so do you. The gentle movement of the yacht becomes its own kind of meditation, a slow, rhythmic cradle that invites your nervous system to soften and to let go. In these remote, spectacular places where the ocean meets the sky and nothing interrupts the horizon, your mind finally finds space. Thoughts unwind and breathing deepens. The sea holds you in presence, each sway, each ripple calling you back to yourself again and again. Here on the water, stillness isn't something you try to reach. It simply happens, effortless, natural, a meditation shaped by the wind, tide and the gentle rhythm of the sea.
We've just come through the channel between Pelorus and Orpheus. Now we're heading round the corner into Little Pioneer Bay.
Maybe we've spotted something in the water, unidentified. What do you think it is?
Two turtles cuddling.
Two turtles cuddling?
Don't know. Looks maybe a fish.
Well done, ladies. Putting away the sails.
Look, in now, the whipping right coming out. Yeah. Yeah, great. Perfect.
Sunset at Orpheus Little Pioneer Bay. Champagne. We got here just in time. Engines off and champagne time apparently.
Look glamorous. An open a bottle of champagne at sunset. On Orpheus.
Quick, the rush is on. This is urgent timing.
I just hold the glass.
Well timed. Oh, yay! Hear the bubbles? Oh, I'm still filming. There it goes. We've got all that. And it's gone.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
We found God on Orpheus.
God on Orpheus, yes. God's
Is Orpheus a god?
Oh.
No, that's yeah. Orpheus is from ancient Greek myth. I think.
Yeah, I think it is.
The underworld. Oh, hello. you're getting me thinking deep about Greek mythology.
So dinner's ready, but the giant trevally are far more interesting than salmon. Big schools of giant trevally. Wow. Oh.
We are going to tease the giant trevally with some bread so that we can get a closer look at him.
Crystal's having dessert breakfast.
All the things you can do with Cheryl's delicious bread.
Sourdough yogurt and fruit. Chocolate granola on top.
See you, Seawin. See you, last resort.
We're going for a walk.
But it's alright, it's just when you dive deep, the pressure.
Yeah. Mona, you look like a model.
Yeah.
You're so beautiful.
How beautiful is this day?
Are you sure we're gonna go for a walk?
Yeah. So we're an hour before high tide. I've thrown the anchor out and we've got an aft anchor, just in case we're a bit longer. We don't want to be high and dry and dragging the heavy dinghy. Extremely busy. We're off to see the wizard.
We are very busy.
The wonderful wizard of Orpheus.
Yeah. Oh, did we find out if Orpheus is a god?
Oh, we'll have to look that one up.
Yeah.
The god Orpheus. There's a maybe Orpheus was the goat herder who built the hut. The goat herder's hut.
The hut has surrendered to time, and National Parks is protecting it with a fence, but it still holds the feeling of rugged, self-sufficient life lived on the edge of sea and science.
Crystal in the lead. This is a hot part of the journey. Yeah, you can see it clearly now.
Orpheus Island, located within the Palm Island group on the Queensland's northeastern coast, is a place where volcanic geology, ancient culture and the coral-rich waters converge. Today we walk to one of the most striking vantage points, the Eastern Lookout.
A new epic, they're not ruins, rock structure, monument to Orpheus.
The island is traditionally known as Gulbodi. It has been a part of the cultural and ecological landscape of the region for thousands of years.
There we go, we're going to name you Sydney Orpheus Opera House. Orpheus Opera House. Anybody got an opera in them? We're going to name this the Orpheus Opera House. And Simona, being Italian, is going to sing for us.
I find my horse.
Well, that'll do.
It's on my way. I don't know how to use it.
The island received its English name, Orpheus, in 1887 from Lieutenant G.E. Richards, who named it after the ill-fated HMS Orpheus, a naval vessel wrecked off the coast of New Zealand in 1863. For the traditional owners, these lands and seas form an interconnected system of story, food sources, seasonal movement and spiritual meaning. Their care for country continues today, woven into management, restoration and stewardship.
I'm going to have another middle. The girls have gone for a swim with the GT.
You're standing the wrong way. You're going to put one foot either side of the middle, facing forward.
One at one.
Yeah. Yeah, awesome.
Crystal chopping
Oh yeah.
tomatoes by sunset.
Yeah. Bit of dinner prep, bit of rosé, bit of sunset.
The girls are putting the paddleboard in. Simona is going to swim or paddle with the giant trevally after dinner. Because dinner's ready.
Dinner?
After dinner, because dinner's ready.
They're not scared.
Yeah, they're like, what is this?
Alive.
Maybe our timid. Yeah, that's it. They didn't like the spotlight.
Yeah, last night they didn't like it either.
They're behind you.
Well, there's one coming under now.
One coming under now.
There he goes.
But we're casting off from Little Pioneer Bay, heading to Yanks Jetty. Leaving Little Pioneer Bay. Crystal's just spotted a turtle, brushing her teeth. Happy, full crew, beautiful breakfast. We have anchored at Fantome Island, the tip of Fantome Island. Beautiful beach. It's a bit windy, it's 20 knots northerly.
My retreats are deliberately scheduled during the first and last quarter moon phases. These are known as half moon phases, times of moderate tidal movement and stable ocean conditions. Unlike the full or new moon, when tides run fast and currents can be unpredictable, the quarter moon creates a steadier waters.
Look at this mammoth pile of dead coral. This is where all the dead coral from the reef washes up. It all comes here, the coral graveyard. Look at this coral graveyard, all washed up at the tip of Fantome Island. And over there, that's the bottom of Orpheus Island, where we just were. Now these are actually quite poisonous when they're alive. They shoot out a proboscis. Can be quite dangerous. It's just a wall of coral. We're going on an adventure. Am I Cinderella? No, it's the wrong foot. But you might be able to make it work, Crystal, rather than burn your feet.
Rather than my broken sandal.
Yeah. Like, look at that. I reckon.
Find your treasure.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Cinderella.
Rocket from here.
Woohoo! That's how you recycle. Heard there were ruins up here too.
Yeah.
But the hospital's in the middle, but this could be something else. Yeah. So we're going on an adventure. We're going across Fantome Island to see if we can get to the other side where the reef moorings are. I think there was meant to be a church up this end.
Yeah, there's so much up here.
There is. Yeah, a whole little community up here.
Fantome Island, a place of deep history, quiet memory and unspoken stories.
And in respect for those who died here from 1939 to 1973. I reckon this was the leper colony. Do you reckon?
Wow.
These are the remains of the leprosarium that operated here from the early 1930s to the early 1970s. Many of the people brought to this island were Indigenous Australians, removed from their families, their communities, their land, and often from country itself.
It's melted glass.
Wow.
Whoa! This is the bathroom.
Most had no choice. Many were sent here simply because they were suspected of having leprosy, separated from children, partners and kin. Boats would arrive, unload patients and leave again. A one-way journey for so many. The island became a world of its own, a hospital, a prison, a community, a place of survival. It's important to understand that the policies of that time were rooted in discrimination and fear. Indigenous people were disproportionately isolated, treated differently from non-Indigenous patients on the mainland, and often endured harsh conditions, limited supplies, limited freedom, and limited contact with loved ones. And yet, despite that, the people here created culture. They created connection. They cared for one another. They sang, they prayed, they tended gardens. They found joy where they could. Their resilience is a part of the story of this land.
It's only 50 years since this community closed down, and the water tanks have survived and the bathtubs have survived. What is that? Ah, it almost looks like a monument type thing.
The shells on it.
Yeah.
As we explore these ruins today, we do so with respect. We walk slowly, we acknowledge the traditional owners of the Palm Island group, and we honour the ancestors and families connected to this place. This land holds memory. These walls witness both suffering and strength.
We've got all these theories going around on our heads. We have to do some research. Definitely the church here. Wow, the secrets of Fantome Island have been revealed.
Take a breath as you walk. Let the breeze remind you that these stories are still alive. Let the land teach you. May we move through this island with reverence. May we listen more than we speak. May we honour the people who lived and died here, and the families who still carry their memory. This is not just a historical site, it's a place of truth. As we continue our retreat journey, may this visit anchor us in gratitude, in awareness, and in the responsibility we hold to build a future guided by compassion and connection. We walk gently here, and we leave humbled.
What's happening, Crystal? Oh, we are running away from this big storm. It's really scary. It's so powerful. I have to flee the area. No, not really. That's beautiful, beautiful lighting. We're over here, over near Yumili. Locust Bookerman community.
Motoring, there's no wind. There's a breath of 2 knots from the southeast, which is what was forecast. Pretty much dead calm out there. A little bit of a ripple. Great Palm Island off to our port side. Did you turn away from the camera, did you, Simona? Yeah. Simona! The girls have spotted dolphins. Are they close?
Yeah, they're close. There's a big group. Look. Yeah, it's like a huge pack. Like they're in this big area.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are! We'll slow down and see if they'll come over.
The best one, there's a little fin. Wow.
Yeah, what actually lobster fin?
You reckon?
Yeah, it looks super stunning.
There they are. Well, those mussels go. Oh, I was standing on it, sorry, that was my fault.
Get out of the way, Captain!
Silly Captain. I'm in trouble. One more. Yeah, one more. Yeah, that's it. Lock it off. Well done, crew. Don't need me, I'm a hindrance. Crystal, first mate, is steering. We're trying to keep the wind angle to 60 degrees.
No, sorry, I'm used to a tiller, and tiller's the opposite, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pretend you're driving the truck. Macaroni jewellery with a shell.
And then Crystal's beautiful wax thread. Then she taught me how to make this. I've never done it before.
Just chilling with a coffee. 2.2 knots.
Okay.
Floating.
The boat is chilling. 10 o'clock tonight.
So yeah, we don't really want to go home, do we, girls? Like, they don't need us, do they? So we can't go home till we find an elephant. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay. We better turn around then. We better sail to India.
Yeah.